ya Keroka level 4 igochikwe guru mutinyogo cha mutinyo kyanda konengana bali kibabo tambe bakole taro ya boase nyagetali kunyara koroto tobwa gachire bono bokoreli nigo batubiri nyagetali ya Keroka igotoka emiye county ya Nyamira nigo ya elira sekera ngo kemerongo kerana isano asemi ya 95% nigo nyagetali bone bwate ibintu bya Keroka tiyabone bitanda bya Kerera sabate birune bitanda emiye mama na 50 nigo bigochiya kobe kwa nyagetali ijo bono bire bitanda bya Kerero nigo chinga kechi bate bire nigo nyagetera robo korri bwaje gocha chinsem gati yabono kubaterani abamenyi baitane nensemejo niguchinga kichumulikyo botambe kimtai r kimtai atebire buna Emerald Jones yabekirwe erukanyara koneka ati ebintu biri bitigarete ngo nyara biri kubikwa Nyagetali jo kerera chikoigurwa bene omutinyogocha
and preparedness of the county to receive this facility, which was constructed through the support from the national government. What we have observed today is that the facility is ready, and we expect that the little few things that are outstanding will be sorted out between us and the county government.
The people of Nyamira and indeed Kisii and the entire region can start counting. Within 30 days, we should have the Ministry of Defense and the contractor is going to exit from this project.
The county government of Nyamira will take up this facility and run it as a sub-county hospital, and it will be a 150-bed facility.